Alright, so today is a visual mission day, and that's usually a day where we decide to go out and get some visuals and figure out what we want to do. Take pictures, get video, do whatever we want for social media, for Instagram. And I thought today would be a good day to talk about collaboration. And actually, I want to meet up with Josh here at Brewers. This is a local spot that we like to go to. This is actually the first place that me and Josh met as friends. And ever since then, we've been collaborating together and just working together and just doing pretty much all of our creative stuff together. So today, I think it was a good idea to talk about just what it takes to get somebody to collaborate with, and then how it's beneficial to have somebody to collaborate with. So we're gonna go in here, get some coffee, get something to eat, and then we're gonna go on our visual mission. And while we do that, we'll talk about like our friendship. There's like a bromance right now. It's kind of crazy. I don't want this to turn into a bromance video. Alright, so we made it to the spot. This is a indoor spot. Usually we take pictures outside, but it's kind of cold today, so we're gonna get these inside shots. Going in here. This is a spot you've been to before?
Yeah, actually, shot a couple videos here.
Yeah.
Before, shot a music video here before, and a fashion video. Took some pictures outside. Dope architecture.
Yeah, definitely dope architecture.
I guess we could go to the third floor.
Alright, so we had to cut our session a little bit short because we forgot to pay the parking ticket. Got everything we needed. We just went in there and shot a couple of shots. Josh always gives me the dope visuals. Do we got a ticket, man? We good. We didn't pay it, but we got away with it this time. Alright, so we about to head out, but Josh and I don't know if you realize this. You know, the first time we met was we went to Brewers.
It was, yeah.
Yeah, that was the first time we met.
Literally.
How did we even like get linked up? Like, was it your boy or like what was it?
My boy Taj, he told me to hit you up on Instagram. So I literally just commented on the post, and you was like, let's link up.
Yeah. I remember seeing his Instagram. I was like, yo, his Instagram is dope. This dude is taking some crazy pictures. Basically, we linked up. I feel like we kicked it off like the first day we met or whatever. We went out and we did another photo mission like we did today. Ever since then, we just been doing that like often. So I feel like it's just super important to have somebody like-minded, somebody you can hang out with, somebody you can create with and do something like on a regular basis, because he keeps me grounded. I send him my stuff so he can take a look at it. He sends me his stuff, and we just keep it real with each other. Like tell each other like if it's good, if it's not good, if like we need to work on something.
Big facts.
I think it's super important to have somebody like that.
Definitely, I think like we help push each other to just be better creators in general. And then even outside of creativity, TJ helps to push me. So it's been a good ride.
So anytime you try to find somebody who you want to create with, make sure you have like that equal kind of sharing. Like make sure you share stuff with them as well as them share stuff with you. You don't want it to be like a one-sided collaboration. Never just take from somebody. Always try to give something, like so that they can take something from that relationship.
All right, my guy. Oh, I gotta get my book bag out of the trunk.
All right, bro. All right, made it back home, and it's starting to get really rainy outside. It's turned into a rainy day. I was gonna try to do more today, try to go out and maybe get some more pictures and stuff. but it turned into a gloomy day. That doesn't mean you can't get pictures, but for some reason I'm just like, I think we got enough today. Today's shoot was a dope visual. Like, I didn't know it was gonna be that dope. But we got in there, we got out of there. We kind of talked a little bit too much beforehand, so we didn't have a lot of time to shoot. But we kind of just came up with a little plan and just wanted to shoot something. So if you do it frequently enough, it doesn't matter how much you get. So I felt like, you know, today was a win. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one.